What's going on, YouTube? Today we are working on this 2004 Honda Accord with the V6 motor. We're going to be changing out the EGR valve. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. It's 2 bolts and 1 connector. So just remove this connector here, press that tab on the back, and then you have one 12mm bolt there. You have another 12mm back there. Where my finger's at. Basically just take those 2 bolts out and the part come right up. So with those 2 nuts removed, you can just go ahead and lift up on the part, just like that. So you can see it kind of has that gasket on there, or that old gasket kind of gets stuck on. The new one that you get should come with a new gasket. So you're gonna want to clean that surface off, and put the new one in, the same way you took it out. So the customer actually got a used part. So we're gonna, I guess, use this used one here. Yeah, I recommend a new part if you are gonna do this install, but you know, we're gonna, for the sake of the video, we're gonna keep going, install this part here. So just the way you took it out, like I said, is the way you put it back in. I'm working without my tripod today, so you gotta kind of bear with me. All right, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall your hardware here. Reinstall the one. Reinstall that nut that goes in the back. Tighten them down. Go ahead and reinstall the connector. And you're done. All you gotta do is start the car. Make sure you reset the codes if you have the engine light for it, like this car does, and take it for a drive. Do a full drive cycle. Make sure the light doesn't come back on. Until next time, guys. So Car Repairs. Like, share, subscribe. Comment on any questions you may have. Peace out.